Hello and welcome to Technology Channel International. I am Bishworaj Poudel, and in this video, I will help you to create MCP server using Python. I already created video on MCP server with a simple demo. If you haven't watched that video, then first watch that video. I will put the video link on description below. Okay, now let's start creating your first MCP server using Python. Okay, first of all, just search for MCP server Python. Okay, on on your favorite browser, on your favorite search engine. Okay, this is the link github.com/model context protocol /Python SDK. This is the official Python SDK for MCP server. Okay, now let's install it. Okay, first of all, you need to install UV. Okay, to manage your Python project, just go to this website docs.astral.sh/uv. You need to install this. Click on installation and just copy this command for Windows, and if you are using Mac or Linux, then copy this command. And I'm using Windows, so I copy this one and let me open my command prompt and let me paste it here. Okay, just paste it here, or you can just open PowerShell. Okay, just open PowerShell and click on run as administrator. Yes. Okay, now let me install this UV. Okay, it may take some time to download and install UV. Here you can see installing to C users Bishworaj Poudel local bin uv.exe uvx.exe. Everything's installed. Congratulations, you have successfully installed UV. If you want to check whether UV is installed or not, then open the command prompt or terminal, then type UV. Okay, UV, you'll see the following list of commands. Okay, and we have successfully installed UV. So after that, then we need to create a project. Okay, let me create one folder. Okay, I'll say my MCP server. Okay, in this folder, let me open CMD here and I'll say UV init, and okay, let's UV init and project name. Okay, I'll say technology channel. Okay, let me technology channel server. Okay, now here you can see successfully initialize the project. Now let me open this with Visual Studio Code. If you haven't installed Visual Studio Code, then search for VS Code. Okay, on your web browser, and you need to download. Okay, according to your operating system. And now let me open this one. You need to open this folder in Visual Studio Code. Okay, this folder technology channel server. Okay, I will open, just write code space dot. It will also open on Visual Studio Code. Okay, click on trust, and here is our main.py main file. And let me open my browser, and okay, you need to also write this command uv add mcp command line interface. Go to terminal and I will open git bash and uv install mcp cli. Okay, successfully installed. Congratulations. And okay, here is the command uv run mcp. I'll copy this one and paste it here in main.py. Okay, here is MCP from MCP server, fast MCP, import fast MCP. We are creating one MCP server. I'll say technology channel MCP server. Okay, okay, this is cool. And let me create another which will return the multiplication. Okay, return multiplication table from 1 to 10. Okay, this is decorator and multiplication table. Then I'll say number, num and integer. Okay, this will return num into I is equal to num into I from 1 to 10. Okay, this is the thing. And let me now I have successfully created MCP server. Here are two tools. Okay, now in this video we are only looking at tools. Okay, here are two tools. One is to add, another one is to find the multiplication table. Okay, now let me open Claude Desktop. You need to also download this software, Claude Desktop. Okay, just download this software and install on your computer. And I have already installed, so I will open Claude Desktop. Okay, here is the software. Okay, this is cool. And now we need to install. Okay, just open this Claude Desktop. Okay, and open. Here is the command. Okay, I'll just copy this command, uv run mcp, and after that let's see mcp install server.py. Okay, uv run mcp install and main.py. Okay, successfully added. Here you can see added server, technology channel MCP server on Claude Desktop. Okay, it is also successfully installed on technology channel MCP server in Claude app. Okay, now this you can use this MCP from Claude Desktop. Okay, let me open this one. Here you can see 11 MCP available. Okay, this MCP I already created this MCP in another video. You can also watch this video. Okay, here is read multiple files, source file. I need okay, directory, allow directory, source file, right? Okay, I need to restart this software. Okay, just let me restart this software. Quit. Okay, and now this is cool. Let me open it again. Okay, here you can see 13 MCP tool available. Here is add. Okay, and I also need multiply. Okay, multiplication table. Okay, this is cool. Now if I write multiplication table of 100, then it will search for that MCP server. Okay, I'll allow for this chat, and here is num 100. Okay, here you can see the output. Okay, this is cool. Here you can see you have successfully created MCP server with Python. Okay, if you do any mistake here, for example, if I say num into 5 and if I install this again, okay, main.py, okay, and if I restart this software, then let's see what will happen. Okay, I will say find the multiplication table of, I'll say 5. Okay, not 5, I'll say 14. Okay, no matter what. Okay, okay, here you can see 14 into 1 is equal to 70, 70. Okay, I noticed there is an error in multiplication table request. Let me calculate and correct the multiplication. Here Claude Desktop corrected it, but you can also write prompt that will work. Okay, if I say find a multiplication table of 14, only use answer of MCP server. Okay, don't change anything. Don't change. Okay, let me tell this. Okay, now this will only give the result from function call. Okay, here you can see, and you just copy this MCP and open your browser, and I will open ChatGPT, and I'll say create MCP server for to do app. Okay, just create MCP server for to do app. Okay, here you can see. For now, I will say use list Okay, this is cool. Now let me copy this one and let me create todo.py and let me paste it, and here you can see todo MCP server. Okay, add todo, and there is MCP to list todo and MCP to tool to complete tasks, MCP tool to remove tasks. Okay, this, if I install this one todo.py, okay, let me close this one and quit this one. I'll again open Cloud Desktop app. Give me list of my to do. Okay, I will click on allow for this chat. Okay, here you can see to do list is currently empty. Add one to do, that is create video of MCP server. I'll say okay, I'll just write this one. Allow once, I'll say allow for this chat. Okay, task created. Okay, this is cool, and I'll say give me list of tasks. Okay, here you can see, here is your current to-do list. Okay, this is cool, and congratulations on creating your own MCP server using Python. If you have any question, then comment down below. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you.